Today, we're diving deep into the ultimate smartphone showdown, the iPhone 16 Pro Max versus the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. These two flagship contenders are packed with cutting-edge features, promising to redefine the smartphone experience. Let's break down the key differences and help you decide which powerhouse is the perfect fit for your lifestyle. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is expected to maintain Apple's signature sleek design, likely with a titanium frame for enhanced durability. On the other hand, the Pixel 9 Pro XL boasts a refreshed aesthetic with a rumored aluminum frame. While both phones prioritize premium materials, a choice between the cold elegance of titanium and the classic appeal of aluminum ultimately comes down to personal preference. Both the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Pixel 9 Pro XL are anticipated to offer stunning displays with vibrant colors, deep blacks, and high refresh rates for buttery smooth scrolling. Apple's Ceramic Shield technology continues to be a standout feature for durability, but Google has made significant strides in display quality with the Pixel 9 Pro XL. While we expect minimal bezels and immersive viewing experiences from both devices, the true winner in this category might hinge on factors like peak brightness, color accuracy, and overall visual clarity. Apple's A18 Pro chip is expected to once again dominate benchmarks, offering lightning-fast performance and efficient multitasking. However, Google's Tensor G4 chip has shown impressive strides in AI capabilities and overall responsiveness. While raw benchmarks might favor Apple, real-world performance often depends on software optimization and how well the chip complements the overall user experience. It's essential to consider how these chips handle demanding tasks like gaming, video editing, and multitasking. Photography enthusiasts will be thrilled by the camera upgrades rumored for both phones. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is expected to introduce new sensors for improved low-light performance and potentially enhanced zoom capabilities. The Pixel 9 Pro XL, on the other hand, is building upon its computational photography strengths with a new 42-megapixel selfie camera and advanced AI features. While both phones promise impressive image quality, the ultimate winner will depend on your priorities. If you prioritize traditional photography principles, the iPhone might appeal to you. If you value AI-enhanced features and creative photo editing tools, the Pixel could be the better choice. Both the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Pixel 9 Pro XL are expected to deliver excellent battery life, allowing you to power through the day without constant charging. However, the Pixel 9 Pro XL might have a slight advantage due to its rumored larger battery capacity. Fast charging is a must-have feature for modern smartphones, and both devices are expected to offer impressive charging speeds. However, the Pixel 9 Pro XL might edge out the competition with potentially faster charging times. The choice between iOS and Android often comes down to personal preference. iOS offers a clean, intuitive interface with a focus on simplicity. Android provides greater customization options and flexibility. Consider factors like app ecosystem, user interface, and feature preferences when making your decision. Both platforms have made significant strides in recent years, so it's essential to weigh the pros and cons of each. Choosing between the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Pixel 9 Pro XL is a tough decision. Both phones offer exceptional performance, impressive cameras, and stunning displays. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual needs and priorities. If you value a seamless ecosystem, premium design, and a focus on hardware performance, the iPhone 16 Pro Max might be the ideal choice. However, if you prioritize AI-driven features, customization, and potentially better value, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is worth considering. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content.